Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove your bed. Unbolt your shock with an 18mm socket and 21mm wrench and push it out of the way. Cut off the factory rear shock mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement rear shock mount and hold it up to the inner side of your frame rail using the oval hole on your part to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your rear shock mount onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your shock with an 18mm socket and 21mm wrench. Then you're done.